Hi guys, today we will talk about how can you add or turn on face for screen lock on your Android. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that. So all you have to do is to just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to next step. Then all you have to do now, so just click here on lock screen here, then it's going to take you here in this window. You click here on screen lock swipe here. So I'm going to add my swipe here, then it's going to take you to this list here, and you just come here to sorry you just when you click here on square lock shape here, add my swipe here, and you come here to face. You click here on this sign, and like you see now, it's going to take us here. Just click here on continue here, and it's going to it's going to scan your face, and it's going to add video on your Android. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.